Okay, here's a snake going across the trail. Don't know if it's a copperhead or so we're staying the distance.
This is a copperhead. And yes, it's venomous. Its crossband pattern resembles an hourglass shape. Copperheads are the only species of snake with this pattern.
And it's, as always, it's going about its way. But got to be very careful.
The general consensus is copperheads are not known to be aggressive snakes. They want to avoid people at all cost. They're more likely to flee or camouflage themselves when they encounter human beings. As you can see and evidenced here with this beautiful species that's crossing my path, it's attempting to hide itself by blending in with the fallen leaves.
Truly naked nature. We share this space. I think it feels that it's hiding among the leaves. So we're going to let it go on about its way. Bye, beauty.
My primary focus in looking out for snakes is to ensure that I don't step on them, and then respectfully keep a distance if I see them, for a couple of reasons, as a protocol for protection and safety. To make sure they don't feel threatened, and secondly, to make sure they don't act on any perceived threat.
We're going to let it go on about its way.
There are so many wonderful creatures that inhabit the space we walk through every day. During your walks along the way, notice nature, naturally naked nature. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.